Hey everyone, welcome back to my Python series and if you have not watched the previous part, make sure to check them out. एंड अगर आप लोग ये वाला पार्ट डायरेक्ट देखते हो तो फिर आपने अगर पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो फिर समझ नहीं आएगा. आप लोग पहले वाले पार्ट्स सारे कवर करो, देन उसके बाद आप ये देखना. एंड वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल एंड शॉर्ट वीडियोस बनाए हैं, कुछ मिनट्स के हैं और बहुत इजीली अंडरस्टैंड वीडियोस हैं. Watch all the parts and in this video we are going to cover three important concepts: loops, control statement and functions. Let's start with loops. Actually loops होता क्या है? सबको पता है क्या होता है loops. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times instead of writing it again and again. A for loop is used when we know how many times we want to run something. For example, if we want to print numbers from 0 to 4, we can use range. Now the while loop run as long as condition is true. It is useful when we don't know the exact number of iterations. Always make sure to update the condition in a while loop, otherwise it can become an infinite loop. Now let's move to the control statement, break and continue. The break statement is used to stop and loop immediately. For example, if a condition is met, the loop will terminate. Condition is used to skip the current iteration and move to the next one. It does not stop the loop, it just skip one step. Break stop the loop completely while continue skip only one iterations. Now let's talk about functions, one of the most important concept in Python. A function is a block of code that run only when it is called. It helps us reuse code and keep our program clean and organized. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we can define a function once and call it whenever needed. We can also pass value to function using parameters. This makes our code more flexible and dynamic. One quiz for you. Which statement to stop the loop completely? Break or continue? Comment your answer. Guys, I put lots of effort into making these tutorials, so please make sure to subscribe. It's really support me. I will keep bringing super basic and easy to understand Python videos, so stay connected, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next part. Thanks for the watching.